our heartfelt thanks to the speakers for their valuable support to make this workshop possible.
I also want to thank Mr. Rajesh Sharma Ramlal, the Solicitor General, who has graced us with his presence today and will moderate a panel later today.
In the event, even though it's at distance, but I have worked a lot in the past with various Mauritius.
I would like to thank the Regional Center of Excellence.
It's quite amazing. I mean, no one can stop technological progress down, and of course, it will take ages. Something like 10, 12 years, you may imagine.